Ooh. Is that nice? Yummy. Oh, pretty bottle brush. Is that nice, baby? Is that nice? Come on. Come on, Cleo. Here she comes. Oh, Cleo. Come on, Cleo. He's a good boy, Tico. You're my good boy, Tiki Tix. Hello, darling. That's Mummy's pretty birdie. Hello, Cleo. Come on, Cleo. Come on down. Quick, quick. Oh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Is it good? Yum. That's lovely, isn't it? Yum, yum. Is that good? Ooh, delicious. That's beautiful, isn't it, darling? It's getting chilly. Is it going to be a cold night? I think it's going to be a cold night. All the clouds are gone. It's going to be a cold one. It's going to be a cold morning. Have to put on your fluffies. Have to put on extra fluffies. Hello, Chicky Bum. Yeah, okay. Come on. Hey, gorgeous. Hello. Aw. Oh, come on. You gonna do sharing? Oh, Cleo, put that foot down. Yes, Cleo wants some too, Tico. You gotta move over a little bit. Move over a little bit and let Cleo have some. Good boy. Ah, it's pretty good, isn't it? Is it good? Yummy bottle brush. Beautiful. Is it good? Good girl. You're looking beautiful. Had showers today, didn't you? Yeah. Had showers. Make you beautiful. Look at those beautiful wings. Look at those beautiful wings. Lovely, Tico. Just beautiful. Yum, yum. Good kids.